guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a special guest with me. This is my brother Dean.
What's up, guys?
So today is a super exciting video. We are going to be testing out the famous Miracle Berries. Now, if you have never heard of these before, Miracle Berries are this natural berry. It kind of like changes your taste buds. So the packaging kind of looks something like this. I got this on Amazon for like 16 bucks. So let's see what we got here. Oh, okay, so it comes with a ticket. This is actually cute. Flavor tripping. Healthy inside, happy outside, and it looks like a plane ticket, which is really cool. Yeah. So they give different foods. If you wanna read the foods that they recommend you trying this with?
Yeah, we got so we got 8 to start off. We have lemon, green apple, strawberry, chili pepper, cheese, pineapple, vinegar, and pickles.
I actually looked online beforehand and I did get a bunch of these things, and I also got other things that they recommended. So basically what I've read is that with citrusy kind of foods, it like alters it to be sweeter. So a lot of these foods are citrus, and then once you take the berry, apparently they taste like completely different. So they're in this little package, and it says, place 1 Miracle Berry tablet on your tongue and dissolve completely. I read that it takes about 30 seconds to dissolve. So, and the effect can last anywhere from 15 minutes to 2 hours. I guess we'll see what happens. Just pop them out, and they're really, really tiny, and it just has this one pack, so
Cheers.
cheers. And like you have to like coat the tongue. Home stretch.
It's hard to dissolve it.
Yeah. It doesn't take 30 seconds to dissolve. That I definitely don't agree with. So whoever said that, I don't really know why you would say that. Alright.
We're good.
Okay, so let's start. I think the one we should start with is the lemon, because that's the first thing that they recommend, and I feel like that's gonna be the weirdest because like I just want to eat like a whole lemon wedge at once.
Personally, I hate like the taste of actual lemon, so we'll see if this changes it at all.
Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers, lemon, cheers.
It's sweet.
That's really weird. This literally, it like tastes sweet. It tastes like actual lemonade, right?
Yeah, it tastes kind of like a lemon flavored candy.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like a lemon head.
Wow. So this is just a Granny Smith green apple. If you've ever had one, it's definitely like sourer than the average apple. So
Granny Smith, cheers.
Granny Smith, cheers.
Here we go. It's completely sweet.
That is so weird.
You
Tastes like a red apple.
You feel like you're eating a whatever it's called. Red Delicious.
Just a Red Delicious. Or like one of those yellow apples. What are those? Golden apples? Is that what they're called? Golden doodles? The website said orange, but I'm not sure like if it'll have a different effect, but orange, cheers. Let's try it out. So it's definitely like, wow, okay. Why does this taste like a pina colada? Are you getting that? Like some sort of like mixed drink. Like it tastes like a cocktail, or like one of those like island drinks that you get. It doesn't taste like I feel like I'm tasting like kind of coconut.
It tastes like more like a mango than orange. For sure. Because it's a little bit milky.
Berry cheers.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but it tasted like cotton candy.
Yeah. Yeah, actually.
It didn't really taste like a strawberry to me, to be honest. That was really delicious though.
Yeah.
It's sweet. but it's not a strawberry flavor.
This is odd. This is an odd experience.
The strawberry was delicious.
Yeah, everything.
They weren't bad at all.
Like everything that we've like eaten was like really good. So yeah, this is just your plain old watermelon. The website also said this as well. I don't know what to expect because watermelons aren't really that citrus, but could be a lot sweeter. Who knows? So watermelon cheers. Oh.
I can't even find a word.
I don't even know if I have. Yeah.
It's not watermelon though. For sure.
That's really weird.
Interesting.
Yeah, I don't think I enjoyed that. So the next one, I think we should do the raspberry.
Raspberry?
Raspberries are kind of tart, so berry cheers. Oh.
It tastes like a grape.
I expected to taste a raspberry, but that's not. Oh my god. That is so weird.
It tastes like a grape.
It tastes like a grape.
Speaking of grapes,
that's our next next fruit of the day.
that's a nice transition, right?
Yeah.
Imagine if the grape tastes like a raspberry.
I mean, at the rate this is going, I'm not really sure what to expect anymore. So we just have regular red grapes, and we'll see what happens. Cheers. Oh. For me, I felt like that's still a grape, but it like has like a tang. Like it tastes like an apple to me.
Yeah.
I have like that apple tart taste. I don't know why.
Yeah,
that was strange. That was a time.
That concludes all the fruit that we have.
Yeah, so all the fruit is done, and now we move on to the kind of weirder items. Okay guys, we actually just popped in another Miracle Berry. It's pretty dissolved right now because we wanted to do the second round of items with like a stronger taste alteration. So we wanted it to be on a fresh,
Capsule.
So mine just finished up. I don't know about yours.
I don't know why. Like, are you swishing it around?
Yeah. How's it going down there?
Excuse me.
It's done.
It just finished.
Okay, so let's get right on into it.
Oh.
This is dark chocolate, 56% cacao, which means that it's on the more bitter side. So hopefully today, cacao like the raw bean. Yeah. So it's intense dark. I mean, I like dark chocolate, so.
I personally like milk chocolate.
So let's see.
Maybe it'll taste like milk chocolate.
All right. Cheers.
It's salty. It's salty. Okay. Wow. That's pretty interesting.
Doesn't taste as bitter as like it should. It's like the bitterness is mild down, but I don't think it tastes like sweet.
Salty, like for me, completely salty. It tastes like a pretzel that was dipped in Nutella.
Yeah.
That was delicious.
Yeah, that was actually really good.
I'm scared for this. That's terrible.
So, hopefully these next two will be somewhat as tasty as the ones that we have tried. So the first one we have is cream cheese, and I read that it's supposed to taste like cheesecake. I'm not sure about that, so we're just gonna try a little tongue taste, if you will.
I hate that so much.
It actually kind of smells like cream cheese. I mean, I mean cheesecake.
I hate that, Heather.
Just try it.
I don't like that.
Just like a little bit. Do you want me to try it first and then see if it's different?
No.
Ready?
No. Okay. Cheers.
Right, cheers. It does taste a little sweeter than cream cheese. It's not really that good. You don't have to keep eating it if you don't. Definitely wouldn't eat this on the regular. So we're just gonna put that down now. Cover this up and never look at that again. Onto our least anticipated beverage, I guess. I don't really think this is a beverage, but balsamic vinegar. Ugh, I really hate that. I'm just gonna not put us too much out of our misery and just give us like a little bit, because oh boy. Okay. So I have my
Oh, come on. I don't want to drink this.
it's just like a little bit. You don't even have to like do the whole thing.
I think we have to do the whole thing
You think
for the vlog.
Okay, for the fans. Like I hate like dressing except for Caesar. So cheers.
Ew.
It tasted like are you gonna throw up?
No.
I was scared. I really didn't enjoy that one. Oh my god. Yeah, that was really bad. But I think that's it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you go like this and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for new videos. Thanks for joining me on my channel, Dean. And I will see you guys next time. Woo!
That was a success.